Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Delver. So, Agent Router is offering free $175. Okay, so this is something that is available to all users. All right, now as I'm telling you, I have just claimed mine, and I'm going to show you how to claim yours. First of all, I will show you how to log in, how to sign up, log in, and connect the necessary account that you need to connect in order for you to qualify for this. And then also I will also show you what it means and different ways you can actually claim this 175 free dollars. Okay, now let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm going to just quickly log out from my account. This is my account, so I'm going to just quickly log out, come to this place, and then go to quit. So once I click on quit, it's going to take me out from the agent router dashboard. So now the next thing I have to do now is, when you click on the link in the description, it's going to bring you up to this place where you have to sign up. Okay, now when you come to this place, there is something very important that I want you to take note of. In order for you to qualify for this very free giveaway, you have to make sure that you connect exactly the way I'm going to show you in this video. So when you come to this place, you see different options of signing up. You're going to see signing up with your email address, and also your username if you already have an agent router account, for those of you who have been using it. Now also there's also other two options of signing up with your GitHub and then signing up with your Linux. So now what I'm going to be doing is this. It's going to be a very simple process. What I'm going to be doing is, I have to go to sign in because I already have an account. But if you don't have an account before, you can just go to sign up, but I'm going to just go to login. Let me just assume that I don't have an account. So let me click on sign up. So the moment you click on sign up, you're going to see this continue with GitHub, and that's exactly what you're going to be doing. So once you click on continue with GitHub, click on it. It's very important you connect with GitHub because this offer is specifically for GitHub users. So if you have GitHub account, whether you're using the account or you're not using the account, just know you are qualified. It's as simple as that. I don't know, maybe if you create an account today, GitHub account today, you might also qualify. I do not know that, but you can also try it out. Now the moment you log in, you're going to see this place. It's going to look like this. You will see API token, you will see your dashboard. Okay, now the moment you open up your dashboard, I already have mine. What you have to do in order for you to claim yours is very simple. Navigate down after this API usage. Let me just zoom in. Usage log. Then under your personal center, just go to wallets. Okay, the moment you come to wallets, you may not be able to see this $175 right here. What you just have to do is just refresh. Let me just quickly refresh. Just come to refresh and then refresh the platform. So once you click on refresh, you're going to have it. Now let me know in the comment section if after clicking on refresh you're able to find it. If you're able to find it, let me know in the comment section. And that is one. Now you need to take note that this $175 is an API credit. Okay, it's actually an API credit, and I'm going to explain to you what API credit means. Now the moment you come to this place, after confirming that you have your $175 reflected on your dashboard, the next thing you need to do is you have to come to usage. When you go to usage login to check, once you come to usage login log, you're going to see the under the usage log, you're going to see the details of how you have spent this $175 that you have been given, and also you're also going to be seeing how this $175 actually got to your wallet. Now when you look at this place, you're going to see I got this $175 today, which is, let me look at the date. Today's date is 3rd of August, which is 2683, and this is that time that I got it. Okay, now this is that time I got it is about less than an hour ago. Okay, now you're going to see how this was credited to my account. You can see that they credited 100, they credited 50, and now they credited 25. And this is exactly your own may vary. Some people get 500, some get 200. It depends on the activity on your GitHub. Actually, I have not done anything on my GitHub. I just had GitHub account created before 2025, but you can also try to create an account right now, and then when you do that, let me know if you're able to see all these features. So now that is that for the usage log. Now when you check your API token, I'm still going to explain what API token is, but let's quickly go to dashboard. Under dashboard, this is where you're going to see a kind of an overview of what is going on your agent router. Now this agent router is an agent that helps you interact with ChatGPT, helps you interact with other AI. Okay, it helps you interact. So the money you are giving, actually, I'm going to explain what you're going to be using that money for, but you have to take notes that this money is going to be aiding you in your interaction with AI. Okay, now let me quickly, so under your dashboard, you're just going to have the overview, your consumption. If you have spent anything out of it, it's going to be showing here. Now that the next thing is personal setting. Let's quickly go to personal setting. When you come to personal setting, exactly, you're still going to see some few things about, and then you're going to see the models that this thing supports. You see, it supports cloud, it supports cloud 4.8, 4.8, cloud 5, and then ChatGPT 5.6. Okay, so that is exactly, these are the three models that this particular agent supports. So it helps you to integrate with these models, and I'm going to be showing you everything you need to understand. So now the last thing I want to show you in this video, which is the major way you are going to be using this $175 you are looking at, is through API token. Let me quickly click on my API token. Now on this platform, I have not generated an API token yet because I'm not ready to use the 175. Once I click on create API token, it creates a string of characters for me. Now this string of character is actually what I'm going to be using to integrate into my IDE. For those of you who knows about a little bit about programming, IDE is like an interface that helps you to interact with your code. So this consumption is basically for those of you who can write code. So even if you cannot write code, it doesn't matter. AI can just help you to generate the code. Just use your code and then paste it on the IDE. The process is very simple, and I'm still going to make a very clear video on how to consume this 175. But take note, this $175 is not something you just send directly to your wallet and withdraw, but you can use it for your AI interaction. This is very important for you to understand, and it's very useful if you're actually the type that interact with AI. It makes your interaction very easy. With that, you can chat with ChatGPT and your cloud simultaneously. Okay, it's very simple. You can chat with both of them at the same time. So this is actually what this API token. Now you have to make sure that when you have this API token, you keep it secret, because this API token links and gives authority to the usage of your API credit, which is the $175 that you got. Okay, now, and this is exactly what you need to understand in this video on how to claim. Now let me know if you have claimed this and you are able to start using it. Okay, now let's just quickly look at some things we can also do under settings. When you come to under settings, you're going to see something that has to do with connection of your account, right? Let's look at it. Okay, not here, under settings. Okay, yeah, under settings you have available models. The next thing is account binding. Okay, here you're going to see that my GitHub is actually connected, or Vilo1. That's my GitHub username. Now the next thing you have to see is your email. Please, for now, do not connect your email. I don't think there's any need for you to do that. Then you also see Telegram, of course, is not yet enabled. Then you're going to see your WeChat, which is not, I have not banded mine. It's not even enabled. So the only thing that are enabled now currently is you have your Linux DO and then your email. So, but I'm not recommending you connect your email. I just connected my GitHub because that was what I needed for me to get my $125 free credit. Now the next thing you can also check out on this page is you can also check out the security. So if you want to increase the security of your account, you can just generate a token, system access token, authentication token for API calls. Now this authentication token for API calls, it helps keep it safe. Okay, whenever you are calling API from your IDE, so any platform you can use to write code, when you interact, you have to paste your API. So this key will protect your API for unauthorized usage. Okay, then your password, you can also change your password. Then you may decide to delete your account if you wish, but why would I do that? So that is that. Then other settings you can also check out here are, you can enable email notification if you already have your email connected and everything. And when you're done with everything, just make sure you smash save setting. Now the same thing applies to at the extreme. I'm just trying to show you one or two ways you can explore, just almost the same thing we have just seen. So if you want to log out of your account, come to quit. If you want to go to your wallet, back to your wallet, come to that wallet aspect, then go to API token, personal setting, and all that. Now before you go, I want to let you know that I'm going to be making a new video on exactly how you're going to be using this $175. So make sure you stick around. I'll make sure you also subscribe to this channel, leave your comment in the comment section, and turn on your notifications so that you'll be the very first person that will get notified as soon as I drop the video on this very one.